Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about Tailwind CSS and how you can use it in your React.js application. Do not miss this video and let's go! Hey everyone, welcome back to Demonless. In today's video we are diving to Tailwind CSS, one of the most popular utility-first CSS framework out there. Tailwind CSS makes it really easy to style our app without writing a ton of CSS codes. It's especially powerful since you can apply styling right into your component. So today I'll show you how to install and set up Tailwind on your React.js application. So now let's back to our VS Code. This is our React.js application, and if you don't have it, you can install it from the video. I put the link above this video in my channel, and you can know how to install React.js on your computer. After installation of React.js, you should open this terminal on your VS Code and of course navigate to tailwind.css.com website. Open the first link in their website and we should navigate. I want to maximize my browser and we should navigate to docs, and this part is installation part in Tailwind CSS website. We need these two commands. First is npm install -d Tailwind CSS. We should copy this command and of course paste it here to install Tailwind CSS. Okay, now we have Tailwind CSS on our system and on our React.js application, and the next command is this Tailwind CSS init to install and have some configuration of Tailwind CSS on our application. We should paste it on our terminal, and I want to add this -p to have configuration file on our application, this tailwind.config.js. Okay, now after Tailwind installation on our React.js application, we need to configure Tailwind on our app. We need to open this file tailwind.config.js and we should paste this part of code on our file. This is the configuration that tells Tailwind to scan all JavaScript and TypeScript file in our source folder and directory to know which classes are in use in our application. And next, we should import some lines in our CSS, and we should import Tailwind in our CSS. I choose this index CSS and I want to remove all of these codes and just paste these 3 lines, and these lines bring Tailwind in our CSS in our React.js application. We should save it, and of course we should import it in our app.js and of course index.js. And here we go, we have it here already. Now let's test Tailwind CSS on our application with some components. First of all, we should create new file called card.js in our source folder and just write down this to have React.js file, and we should import it in our app.js like this, as you know. Import card from card, and I want to remove all of these headers code and just write down this component like this. And I want to add some style from Tailwind in our card component and just add this heading 1 and just write down welcome to Tailwind, and add some classes to main div here, like changing background, change it to background blue -500, and of course text color by this text -white, and add some padding p-4 and some radius to this box by rounded -lg, and of course we need shadow -lg2 here. And now I want to add some other classes to this heading 1 to change text size by this text 2x large and font -bold, and of course I need some margin button like this. You can save it and navigate back to app.js. And also I want to add some classes to main div of app.js file like this, and add flex and item center instead of align item center, and I need justify center to minimum height screen by this class in Tailwind, and of course I need some background like this, gray background 100. We can save it and everything is okay. Just we need to start our application in our terminal by this command npm start. As you know, here we use a few Tailwind utility classes on our application on this card, like bg-blue for this blue background, or text-white for color of this text, or rounded lg, as I said, for this rounded corner in our application. And as you can see, Tailwind CSS gives us all these predefined classes and make our work easy to style our application. And there you have it. We've just installed Tailwind CSS on our React.js application and created a beautiful style card by adding a few utility classes of Tailwind CSS. Tailwind make it super easy to apply consistent styles and focus on building component without the need of using custom CSS in our application. I hope this video was useful for you guys, and of course do not forget to subscribe my channel and put like and comment for me. Thanks for watching, be nice guys, and farewell developers.